I feel these things are not planned. I believe in it. You keep on working hard. You work sincerely. You are committed to your job. You do it with integrity, but ultimately it's Almighty God. You know, and they said the doors open. They opened the door. I started running again. I said, no, yeah, no, now I'm going to take off. I'm going to be in the plane. Then I started, I said, let me become Anil Kapoor. Then I walked and I behaved as if nothing has happened. And then the pilot called my manager Jalal inside, in the cockpit, and he says, don't worry. I said, we're going to make up and we're going to be on time. And they made up almost 10 minutes in air, and we landed exactly at 12:30. And I called up Kabir Da. I said, Kabir, I said, we'll be there exactly at the time we have committed. I said, no, you can come. I said, you can come by 1:45. I said, great, so we are before time. So I was before time. That's Sandokan for you. Coming to Kabir Da, my memories of him as a youngster, as a teenager was, we just looked up to him. We looked up to his personality, his voice. And when I saw Kabir Da first time on screen, I think it was Kacche Dhage, that's one of the first films. But there were earlier films also. But that's the first time I really felt, because, and I was taken aback. I said, and whenever I saw whatever the picture, I said, this gentleman, this actor, this face, this personality has to be international. He has to be global. It cannot be only in India, and it happened. Because he looked international from the time we saw the pictures. And of course, I'd heard so much about his plays, and what a great actor he was on stage, and his Tughlaq, and besides Sandokan, these are the historic things which he has done on theatre and theatre. And so, and it happened. Suddenly I read in the papers that Kabir Da is gone, and I don't think so anybody was really surprised. Really, I remember in the film industry or in the showbiz, they felt, yes, this had to happen, because that's the kind of presence and personality and his voice, and I say it again. I said, fortunately or unfortunately, they don't make men like Kabir Bedi anymore. If you look around for so many years, have you ever seen this kind of a personality, this kind of good looks, this kind of voice? No. It's otherwise you can place him anywhere in the world, in any film, any format, and he'll still stand out. That's what a star is, and that's what persona is, and we are blessed to have him here in India, and as an Indian, and we are very proud of him, and I'm very proud of him for all his achievements, and he has inspired many actors like me. That thank you, Kabir Da, for inviting me, and so that's the story, and that's Sandokan, and I'm here today, and I'll always be there for you, and I'm sure you'll always be there for me, because Kabir, and I feel, for me, a human being is more important, being a good human being, a gentleman. Not his achievements or success. Okay, success, achievements are important. But success is 360 degrees. It's how you maintain yourself. What's your health? How you look? What's your bank balance where health is concerned? And he's an epitome of that, Kabir Da. And so, as a human being, the way you have looked after yourself, and I still feel there's much more in you which you can offer to the world. Thank you, Kabir Da. Thank you so much.